Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the workbook. Open the file and immediately save a backup copy so you can recover if needed. Once done, make sure the Review tab is visible and enable display for comments and notes. This lets you access both legacy notes and threaded comments. You should choose whether to use classic cell notes for simple annotations or threaded comments when you expect replies or version history. This choice affects formatting options and collaboration behavior later in the process. Now add and format the note itself. Right-click a cell and choose New Note for the classic pop-up or New Comment to create a threaded discussion. Use Alt+Enter to insert line breaks inside notes and apply bold, italics, font size, or color from the Home tab to emphasize key data. Once the note appears, click and drag its edges to resize or move the box so it doesn't obscure important cells. Make sure to pin notes visible if you want them constantly shown, or keep them collapsed for a cleaner sheet. Finish by organizing and protecting your notes. Use Review right arrow show all notes to audit annotations across the sheet, and copy notes into a separate document if you need an external summary. Once organized, protect the worksheet to prevent accidental edits while allowing users to leave comments if collaboration is required. If notes disappear, toggle Show Comments or Show Notes in the Review tab, check that you're in normal view, and confirm no filters hide annotated rows. One key tip: if notes still fail, restart Excel to clear display glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.